Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, the discriminant of a quadratic equation. So the discriminant is a piece of the quadratic formula. It's the radicand so it's the part under the radical there. So they can use it in an analysis, I suppose, of the solutions to the quadratic formula. It tells us how many and what type of solutions you'll get. So are they two real solutions? They're going to get one rational solution, whatever the case may be. So right now we're only focusing on real solutions, so we don't have to make some of those extra distinctions. So it's not too bad. So just like when we started the quadratic formula, though, we do need to pull out our a, b, and c values. So that doesn't change. A then is going to be in front of x squared, so that's going to be a 5. Our b value here will be -5. It's the coefficient of our linear term. And our c value will be 3, right over there, as the constant. And then the radicand is that b squared minus 4ac. Notice I am not going to have that square root. It's just the interior part, so just that radicand. This is the only part of the quadratic formula I need for this process. So we don't need any of the square roots, plus or minus, divided by 2a, negative b stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and plug these in. So b is -5, so I have -5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is 3. Okay. So then I'm just going to clean this up. So -5 squared is 25, minus 5 times 4 times 3 is 20 times 3 is 60. So and then 25 minus 60 will give me a -35. Okay. This is the discriminant. Okay, the value of the discriminant, I guess what they're calling it. And then you can figure out how many solutions based on it's one of 3 things. It's either a negative number, a positive number, or 0. Okay, because remember 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, based on this number, so like ours is obviously negative, it's -35. That tells you how many solutions you have. If you have a negative number, you have no real solutions, or 0 real solutions if you want to have a numerical value there. If you have the value 0 here, that has 1 real solution. Okay. And any positive number will give you 2 real solutions. So this chart is just one that you'll want to keep in the back of your mind. So this is a negative value, so there are no real solutions is the second part of our question, because it asked us to compute the value and give the number of real solutions. Okay, so -35 is your discriminant, and there are no real solutions.